Have been wanting to share this very recipe for a while now, but I just keep shifting, not until now. So I have finally made up my mind to share this recipe with you. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your simple ginger powder tea. It's quite easy. Ginger tea is very good for you. It helps to energize and warm your body, especially if you're having that sluggish feeling or you're feeling cold. You can easily make this tea and enjoy. It's a good immune booster. It fights cold and flu, so you can easily make this tea at home, at the comfort of your home. So basically, I'm going to be using just very few and common ingredients to make this ginger powder tea. So I'm going to be using the most simplest ingredients to make this ginger powder tea. I'm going to be using cinnamon powder, of course ginger powder. I've earlier made a video on how to make ginger powder, so I'm going to be putting a link so you can see how it is made. And I'm going to be using this small lemon. Then I'll be sweetening this tea with honey. You can use sugar or maple syrup, but honey is best for me because it has antibacterial property, so that's why I'm using this. Once you have all your ingredients in place, it's very easy to make this tea. I just placed a pot of water on it. This is about 1.5 cups of water. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm going to turn up the heat. Okay, to the water I'm going to be adding in 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. In our house we love our tea very spicy. To this I'm going to be adding in half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now I'm just going to stir this and make sure it combines. Okay, so after that I'm just going to strain this. You can easily strain this into your teapot or any other container. Okay, this is why it's important to strain this, so you don't end up drinking ginger residue in your tea. After that, I'm going to be squeezing in lemon. I just discarded the ginger residues. Okay, I hope you don't mind me stirring this again. I just love stirring. Okay, to this I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of honey to sweeten this. And I'll still stir this a little bit. Okay, now our ginger tea is ready, so I'm going to be pouring this into a mug to serve. You can decide to serve your ginger powder tea chilled or hot. As for me, I'm going to be serving this hot because the weather is a little bit cold. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a simple way of making your ginger powder tea. I hope you loved this video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also you can share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, bye.